Carefree Snore Stopper. Here is in one night solution your long cherished problem, snoring and sleep apnea. Are you still snoring? Or worried about sleep apnea? How have you lived with the above conditions? People who snore suffer from sleep apnea, and treating this has always been difficult. The health side effects of sleep apnea: poor supply oxygen in the brain, high blood pressure, heart problems, irregular heartbeat, stroke, tiredness, daytime sleepiness, dry mouth, and increased chances of tooth decay. In Canada and the USA there is also CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure, which involves wearing a mask connected to a machine. And it is complicated and difficult to use. But this CPAP is a 100% curing device. Carefree Snore Stopper is one of the dental oral appliances for snoring and sleep apnea treatment. Results may vary depending on whether the patient has any medical physical conditions and problems. The success rate with my Snore Stopper is 97% and is on the uprise. Advantages of Carefree Snore Stopper: immediate and effective results. Comfortable, convenient, and easy to use. No surgery required. The results are guaranteed. You visit 2 to 3 times, all treatment is completed. Patented by Korean government. No matter how severe and serious your snoring and sleep apnea is, the Carefree Snore Stopper can stop all at same night when you try it. Never say never. Aids in the treatment of bruxism and relief of TMJ pain. If it doesn't work, I will give you your money back next day. www.snorestopper.ca. Carefree Snore Stopper oral appliance to stop snoring sleep apnea for good. Snoring and sleep apnea are serious diseases, nevertheless nobody realized this. Carefree Snore Stopper will change your life, family life, social life. Finally your health. Now promotion time. Here miracle. Now your turn. If you want to get a peaceful and happy deep sleep like this picture, of course, you can now. For deep soundly sleep from snore and sleep apnea. Believe it or not, but you can get cured overnight. No question. Carefree Snore Stopper treatment for snoring and sleep apnea, with the Carefree Snore Stopper dental appliance is done only in Dr. Hong's dental office. There are no ready-made appliances. You must visit our office in person to get your own personal, customized oral appliance. I cannot guarantee any other oral appliance. Only some dentists who have been trained by Dr. Hong are able to treat snoring and sleep apnea patients with Carefree Snore Stopper. MK Dental Office, 7010 Wharton Avenue, Unit 3, Markham, Ontario L3R5Y3. Telephone number, 905-940-8788. 647-985-0456.